What's going on, you beautiful motherfuckers? It is 1:12 p.m. 23rd of September on a Monday, and guess what? I fucking love Monday. Why? Because I don't need to work for anyone. I work for myself. Well, so far I've made about 1.1k. I don't know if you can see that. It's always so hard to tell. About 1.1k, which is significantly shit compared to what I want. At the start of the month, we're doing like 12, 15k a day. Today is a nice little 1.2. Yesterday we did a lot higher, but you know, 1.2 for now. But this is a bit of an Australian to Texas fucking vlog, which is sad and good at the same time, because I'm going to miss my beach house, my house on the beach. But I'm gonna go meet someone on my team. We're staying in this like crazy like penthouse looking fucking thing. It's gonna have the crazy view of Texas, which will be sick. Be filming lots of videos there. Flying business class for the first time. I know, not first. I come from a very poor background, and I could not comprehend spending like 30 grand for a ticket. I know, I'm a piece of shit. It is currently 3:23. And we've made another 2 grand, by the way, but that's not even why I'm filming this quick segment. But I thought I'll show you guys. So we've done I don't know if you fuckers can see that shit, 3.1k for today. But because this is a little vlog for Australia to Texas and that whole experience, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing. This is one of the spare rooms. It's literally not used at all. There's fucking clothes just hanging up everywhere for this trip. My lovely fiance has packed all this for me, so we'll take a quick look. First thing, the essentials. Tim Tams, if you know, you know. And fruit chops. Now, I've actually got someone that I'm meeting, he's on my team, right? He's a sales closer for me, and he makes a fuck ton of money, and he helps out a lot. So I'm bringing him Tim Tams, because he's a little Canadian fucker. I know you're watching this. You know, so you're gonna enjoy these motherfuckers. But let's kind of go through the clothes. This is what I'm packing. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. It is currently 6:36 a.m. You can see I'm still in my pajamas, and yes, I'm a normal person. I do like Batman pajamas. But this is my last morning in my beautiful house. Let's take a look at it. I'm sad because it's a bittersweet moment, because I'm about to go make a lot of money, meet a lot of people, you know, go to an event, potentially speak at a couple things, do some things, make some money, you know, do the things that we love to do, travel around the world. But when you create a paradise for yourself, like when you actually live the life that you want to live, you don't want to leave it. You don't. And it's fucking beautiful today, so kind of see there. It's 2 a.m. We are in the lounges. This is what we're scranning on. Freshly squeezed orange juice. This is the life we deserve. Down in a plane.
This is crazy to me. You know, I grew up so poor. I'm grateful for it, and I could have never imagined that this is what I would be doing. This is how I would be traveling. This is a 15-hour flight. You can't be broke to pay for these flights, because you won't be able to make it. I'm doing business, then first class to get to Austin. The first class flight is only about 4 hours, but this one was about over 15 hours. But yeah, I'm literally laying down right now, feeling super blessed, super grateful that I can do this, and that I'm helping other people do this as well. So when you're watching this, I want to motivate you, I want to inspire you, because we aren't done. And I plan to absolutely take over the entire sales industry. You know, and it's crazy because in just the last 5 months, I've trained well over 100 people, and a lot of them are in the top offers, the $1 million funds, $100 million funds, like working with those types of companies. It's crazy. It's really crazy. But I'll make sure I get some shut eye, and I'll see you guys when I pick up the camera next.
Landed in LA, and on my flight, on my business flight to LA, we did $6,000. I don't know if you can see that right there. So not bad, $6,000 one on a flight. I mean, it paid for the flight. You know, you wonder why people can do business and it's first class. Well, that's how. You know, because they make money while they're on the flight, right? Alright, we finally made it. Let's see where we're staying for the next week. Now, as you can see, right, MC fucking cribs, bang, kitchen, show the fucking kitchen, fuck yeah, walk in, living room, fuck ton of videos gonna be filmed. Right here, big fuck off TV that we're not gonna be using, probably, to be honest with you. Let's come look at the view real quick before we check out the rooms. Pretty nice of Austin, Texas, so for all my US guys, what's cooking. Pretty fucking sick, not too bad. Now we move. This is a balcony, right, that leads to the bedroom. It is fucking hot out here. But yeah, not much more going on in here. Let's go into the next room, right? We'll leave that open. Alright, bang. First bedroom, this is where I'm going to be sleeping. You've got views from the bed. Right, the windows are a bit dirty, but it is what it is. Not much going on in here. You walk in sort of wardrobe. You've got two sinks, which makes me miss my partner a little bit, but lucky I got the man behind the camera. You've got the big shower, again, man behind the camera, right? Black, just the way I like it. Let's go out. Let's move. It's only 2 bedrooms because it's only 2 of us. We are on the 22nd story. There is a pool, a gym, and all the sort of shit that you want when you move. We're here for a sales event, so we're probably not going to be in here apart from sleeping too much, but yeah. Alright, you come in here. You've got the cameraman's room, which the light doesn't work. Maybe this one. Whatever. You come in, he's got another balcony right here. You can't see much from here though, to be honest with you. If you kind of look to the right, you can kind of hear the lake there. But we move from the bedroom straight out again to the fucking living room. So, I'm gonna end the video there, right? That's an Australian motherfucker going from Adelaide to Melbourne to LA to Texas to, yeah, now we're in fucking Texas. Not too bad, to be honest with you. I hate Americans, just the way I am. Before I end the video, I know I showed you earlier, but have a little fucking look at that. You see that, bitch? 6K made on the flight. Now, for some hindsight, the business flight that I took from Melbourne to LA, which was about 14 hours, cost me about $5,000, $6,000 alone for that one flight. So I made that bitch back while I was on the fucking flight. This is why you need to stop being fucking lazy, right? Actually do some shit. But I don't know, I'm not gonna tell you what to do. It's not like I've made money or anything. But I'll end the video there. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bang.